Hello. So today's question is, a small sphere of radius r falls from rest in a viscous liquid. As a result, heat is produced due to viscous force. The rate of production of heat when the sphere attains its terminal velocity is proportional to. Now we already know that P equals to Ft, Fv and T. And now applying the Stokes formula, I can say that F equals to 6 pi V and R, Vt and R. So substituting from here, we can see that P equals to 6 pi Vt R, and here we'll say that Vt has a square, and then we have R upon 1. So from here we can figure out that Vt equals to 2R square This happened because we know that the terminal velocity is given by this part. So that's just our formula. So from here we can see that Vt is directly proportional to R square. So from this equation we can see that here P was directly proportional to Vt square into R. So here if we replace it, is directly proportional to R square power R into R. So P is directly proportional to R power 5. So our answer is part 4.